So the day has finally come. I just got my wing right there in the back. It fit, like, it's all the way up to here, but it's finally here. Can't wait to open it up, check it out. Hopefully it's not damaged, because there is a freaking hole right here. Hopefully it's fine though, but I'm super excited. Been waiting for this wing for about a month now, and it's finally here. So let's get home and open it up. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I'm home now. I'm about to get this baby unboxed, see how it is. Hopefully it's not damaged, because after checking the box, it's got this hole right here. But let's see. I'm not really sure, but they look good. That's good. Not shipped or anything. Here's the other. This is the left side, and that's the right side. So when you put them on, basically gonna sit like that on the trunk. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, let's see. He sent me some hardware. It looks like Home Depot hardware, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but so far I'm very pleased with the quality of this stuff. These are the side winglets or whatever you want to call them. Really good quality. Wow. Is it also wood? It looks like wood. I don't. Yeah, this is wood. So I would definitely have to clear coat it so it doesn't break. But nice. Oh, this is heavy. Nice. I was really worried that the brackets are gonna be like fiberglass or something, but the brackets are actually metal from what I heard on people saying on the forums. So let's see. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah, these are definitely metal. I just heard the clunk. Wow. This wing was 245 bucks. And these brackets are legit. Like, they're nice. Wow. So basically it's gonna go in with that. Here's the freaking ginormous wing. The big wing, all the brackets and hardware, and that's about it. Really good quality, actually. Just needs to be painted. Can't wait to throw this thing on the car. Damn. And I gotta re-drill holes for this because they don't really align with the brackets, but that's about it. So there you go, guys. That's the unboxing of the wing I ordered. It was about 245 bucks plus 190 shipping, so altogether it was like 430 something. I'm about to start putting everything together, drilling stuff. It's the Rocket Bunny V1 wing. This is the replica wing, but for a replica wing, it's pretty nice. I like it. Hoping to throw it on right now before it rains, or I might just wait till tomorrow. But mounts are on, everything's on, everything looks good. I just gotta mock it up to the car and then drill into my trunk, which will not be fun, but hey, I bought this dope wing, might as well finish the car. So let's get to it. So we just started drilling it in. Looks awesome. For 435 bucks. That's so banging. Tá. Damn. That looks so badass. Super stoked on the wing. All I really have to do now is just take off these soft tappers and actually put actual nuts and bolts. And I want to put like a rubber piece in between this, so it's waterproof. So when it rains, it doesn't really get inside the trunk and make it rust. So the car's done. Only thing is it's dark now. So sorry that I didn't really record what I did, how I did it, but tomorrow when it'll be nice and sunny, I'm going to show you guys where I drilled all the holes, what I did on the inside, and how I fastened them so that the wing basically cannot come off. And I'm going to show you another little trick that I'm going to do. I'm going to be using silicone to like make it watertight and waterproof. And then probably I'm going to get new brackets now, because these are kind of, they're not bad, but I think they're like cheap plastic. But we'll see. They're holding on really tight, so everything is fine.